Where we left off yesterday, we were looking for a stand. As you see, we found one. Good old Cole remembered that he had one in his garage, and here we are. So, taking the motor apart, and it's a 200,000 mile pull-out DOD. You know, I'm sure you're all familiar with it. The lifter failed. This is the bottom side of the valve cover. For 200,000 miles, that is mint. The other one is actually even better. Here's the other one. I'm like, we didn't wipe that down at all. It is actually that good.
You could eat off that.
I'd eat off the other one. But yeah, so it's really good. We're gonna take it apart and hope the cylinder walls look as good. And then pop some new lifters in it and go really fast. I think it is very important to note, as far as I can tell, there's not a single exhaust stud that is broken off. So
we should buy lottery tickets.
Yeah, that is definitely a record. So this is going way better than planned.
This just means that something terrible is going to happen later.
No. Oh, no. We'll be all right. We got the heads off the motor, and it's, like we said, 200,000 miles, but it is surprisingly, maybe not that surprisingly, pretty good as far as the cylinders go. And there's no ring ridge of any kind. You know, when we get this apart, we'll measure it for any taper or anything, but as far as the ichrometer says, she's perfect. Cole, she just drove the wrong way down a one way.
Wait, really?
Yeah, this is a one way.
Oh, thanks. Anyway, bad drivers aside, we are on our way to O'Reilly Auto Parts to grab a balancer puller and continue the disassembly.
I will hit you, old man.
Gary's a legend.
You're gonna do high road with me. Rip. Oh!
There she goes.
Fatality.
Works like a charm. See, you can tell they're a little worn, but
That doesn't. Oh, there we go. Yeah.
I mean, we're definitely going to get roasted for changing these. That's essential to keep the block from rusting.
WD-40 smells really nice. Is that just me?
I don't enjoy the smell.
No?
No.
Right now we're just marking all of our rod caps because those have to be put back where they came from. Otherwise you have problems and that's not good.
Because they're broken off, so they fit exactly together.
Yeah,
so
they're not
you have
cut.
to keep them together. And also for the sake of balancing, I mean, they should be more or less the exact same. But
it's just best practice.
Best practice, which I'm not familiar with, but hey, for once, let's do that. Okay, let's knock them out.
Oh.
So the skirts on there, I mean, they're coated, which kind of shows you if they're worn. And these are, I mean, they're obviously worn because 200,000 mile motor, but those are pretty good. We're gonna send it. So match them back up.
Mm-hmm.
So the crank is super mint. There's no scarring or nothing. Like my nail's not catching on anything. And all of them are like that. I mean, they're just really good, and it just spins over so nicely. That's just by hand. It's like, ooh. It says, I'm ready to make some horsepower. I'm gonna put the crank back there with the fishing poles
Okay.
in a low traffic area.
Sounds like a good plan. Oh, state-of-the-art facility.
You betcha. We can drive cam bearings out.
Okay. There you go. She's moving a bit.
Yeah. There you go, one more.
Decent.
See? Look at that. I don't know what to say. I just kind of want to stare at it.
We'll give Scott a moment.
That's a pretty clank. Brushless drill, bro. Broken hone stone. So as you can tell, we got another hone, glaze breaker, whatever you want to call it, because the first one sucked. So I just actually took the hit and bought my own instead of using the rental tool one. So hopefully this works a little better. Where's the WD?
Over here.
I sprayed the springs so they wouldn't keep flash rusting. We got the cam bearings out, we got the cylinders honed. The block is as disassembled as it's gonna get, so...
If it gets more disassembled than this, we have a major problem.
That's right. So, from here on, we're just gonna put it back together and drop it in the truck. Follow us on the Instagram page. In the
At
link
Prairieland
below.
Performance.
We have a link to it, don't we?
We do.
Yeah. Instagram link below. We update that a little more often than videos, and we'll let you know what's going on there. So, thank you for watching, and
my name's Scott Holmes. I get a... Bye.